Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn about how animals adapt. GK of class 7th. You can see in this picture here some clues are given and we have to identify the name of the animal. So the first one is this member of the dog family can change its color. Its fur is white or grey blue during the winter and grey brown or grey during the summer, helping it camouflage its long bushy tail, also called a sweep. It helps it to maintain its balance and keeps its feet and nose warm when they curls up to sleep. The answer is, as you can see in the picture, it is a fox, and since it is white in color and around it snow can be seen, so it is Arctic fox. ARCTIC, Arctic. FOX, fox, Arctic fox. The second option, found in the river of eastern, central, and parts of southern Africa. This animal is regarded as one of the most ferocious animal in the continent. It secretes an oily substance from its skin, popularly known as blood sweat, which acts as a natural sunscreen and protects it from sunburn. This secretion, however, is neither blood nor sweat. It acts as a moisturizer and protects against germs. The answer is hippopotamus. 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 The third one is these frogs range from less than 1 inch to around 2.5 inch in body length. They all vary in their color and patterns. The beautiful coloring on their bodies are warning to predators that they are poisonous. In certain cases, their patterns also help them camouflage. The answer is poisonous dart frog. POISON, poison. DART, dart. FROG, frog. Fourth one, this lizard has a skin flap which looks like a frill encircling its neck, which it can raise suddenly when threatened to surprise its enemy. This can make its head look several times its normal size. So, the answer is frilly lizard. FRILLLIZARD. You can say frill lizard. FRILLLIZARD, frill lizard. So this chapter is over, and continuously we go to the next chapter also. Since it has only 5 options, we can finish it. The name of the chapter is Tradition Tour. Here also we have pictures and clues are given, so we have to identify in which country they are. So the first one is, this country has many myths and legends pertaining to the action of gods. One of the most famous families of gods they worshipped were the children of Nut and Geb, Orisis, uh, Osiris, Set, and Nephthys. The name of the children are Osiris, Isis, Seth, and Nephthys. Which country are we talking about? So the answer is Egypt. 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 Number two. Number two is Ayurveda, the earliest school of medicine known to mankind, has been an integral part of this country tradition of ages. Mark Twain described the rich culture of this nation when he called the cradle of human race, the birthplace of human speech, the mother of history, the grandmother of legend, and the grandmother of tradition. Which country are we referring to? So, Ayurveda is the earliest school of medicine. It is belonging to India, India. Number 3, this 16-day festival held annually in Munich, Germany during the month of September and October is also one of the world's largest fairs. Name the festival. So the answer is Oktoberfest. Oktoberfest. Fest. Oktoberfest. Oktoberfest is the answer. Option number 4. The Vyang puppet theatre has been practiced in the royal courts of Java and Bali for centuries. It is an ancient form of storytelling. In which country is it practiced? So Java and Bali are the cities of Indonesia, so it is belonging to Indonesia. Indonesia, Indonesia. Number 5. Number 5 is, the city offers a variety of entertainment ranging from opera and ballet to art shows, poetry readings, and concerts. It houses the famous Louvre and Orsay Museum and is known for its impressionist art style. The answer is Paris. So Paris, Paris is the right answer. That's all for today. Thank you.